as seen in the intro clips, I will be straightening my hair and it's gonna grow like 10 inches. Just kidding. I will be installing a 22-inch U-part straight wig from Asteria Hair, and here's a glimpse at the wig. The parting space on this wig. So I normally like to part my hair accordingly. Ooh, we finna have some fun, y'all. And it's thick from root to tip. Like, my ends are not thin. Oh, okay. Okay, Asteria. To start off this U-part wig, I always section my hair based off my parting space, and I will be doing a middle part. So I'm just gonna part my hair down the middle. And then from my middle part, I like to go on each side. And take out a section. And this is a U part, so it will need a little more leave out than what a V part would. I think that is pretty decent. I like to clamp that out of the way. I also will be leaving a little hair out on my perimeter. The U-part wig comes with this little piece that keeps it connected. We're just gonna cut that off. Make sure you move all the hair out of the way. And you're just gonna cut right at the start of it. Like so. Now you have this piece left. All I'm doing is cutting that right off. Guys, see that? It has clips around the perimeter. So I'm gonna do anchors. I feel like it will hold flat to my hair, but just in case, I'm just gonna do an anchor braid on each side. So when I go in for my ankle braids, I literally just take out a piece on each side. These are my two pieces for anchors. I just want to hold that. I'm gonna be doing a simple low bun. All right, so let's worry about this. So let's do a quick let's do a quick hack. So if you do not know how to braid to the scalp, but you know how to plait, this is my hack for ankle braids. You literally section the leave out in half, thirds, however big you want these plaits, and you just plait down. You don't have to plait all the way down, but then repeat the same thing to this front one. And I'm just gonna plait it almost like a knotless plait, but it's just your hair. If your hair is not long enough to go on your bun, you're just gonna use a bobby pin and bobby pin that down, and then you're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. So I like to go in and flat iron my perimeter if I do leave some out before I install the wig, just so I don't have to be flipping back the wig just to flat iron my hair. It's not that much hair that's left out around my perimeter, so I do flat iron on a low setting. It does not take much, just enough to get it, you know, a little more tamed. Let's measure. So I think I did this one right. We're gonna clip this in on this plait. Clip that in the back. And then we're gonna clip this in on this plait right here. Let's try to move that a little closer. And same on this side. Okay, y'all, I love U parts because they lay a little more flatter, and it kind of gives you more of a seamless base. That's how it looks with the minimum leave out that I left. Y'all, they hair real pretty. One thing I like to do to the top of my hair was to install a U part or V part. I like to spray it with some Wonder Lace. Not much. Take a brush or your edge toothbrush and just brush that on down. So that is the difference to that. Okay, so I got cute, but I felt like I need to do some more to this hair. So I have this razor comb here, and this is my hair. And I'm just gonna help shape my face a little bit, so it's not all alone, you know what I mean? Repeat the same thing on the other side, just to, you know, shape my face a little bit. And then once you shape your face, you go in with the flat iron, curve it under. So that is it for this video. And that is it for this video. Very quick and simple. And all the information on this hair will be in the description box, so please feel free to check it out if you're interested. And thank you so much to Asteria Hair, because this hair is bomb. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye beauties.